Hi, welcome to the Crew Vlogs, and today we are going to be riding a Honda CBR HRC edition, and this is a
SP edition.
Yeah,
SP.
2015 Fireblade.
This is flood edition,
2015 Fireblade.
This is flood edition.
This one is a 2015 Fireblade, and it's a flood edition. Why do we call it as a flood edition? Because we found this in Chennai in a flood.
That's the owner, that's Bobby. I'll tag that Daytona video here down.
So the flood, it was floating. it is said that this vehicle can float really well. Since
Motor performance.
Since this vehicle could take the pressure from the flood, so we decided that this vehicle can take the pressure from Bobby too.
It got so many holes.
Bobby is a guy with a lot of pressure filled in him. It's stuck. We don't know when it's gonna explode. Let's see. Still then, stay tuned. Bye bye.
So that's Rags on the CBR 1000. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are riding towards Chikmagalur, which is around another 200 kilometers from here. I'm here, Dhruvtare, and I hope my camera angle is right. So this is the lineup today. This is a really special bike here, which is the Africa Twin 2020. We have a lot of features to it, and a lot of Hondas today in general. Look at my man posing. Guys, anyone wants to hit up Abhi, let me know in the comment section down below. 27-year-old unemployed, unmarried, bachelor. Man here. Ashish, what's up, da? Say hi. Hi, say hi to my friend. Hi. Hi, guys. I'll see you after some time in the cafe down below. So how's the experience riding after so long?
It's crazy, bro.
So Varun is tired riding the Fireblade. Now who's riding? Put stone paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. So Ishang is gonna ride Fireblade in shorts.
Hey, I don't know.
Isn't that illegal? In chappals and still.
Hey, I have shoes, bro.
Chappals.
I have shoes.
But riding shorts is illegal, no? I heard. Yeah.
It is more comfortable.
Can we please tag BTP police station?
I'll pay fine.
So guys, we just stopped here for a small tea break. So this is one really interesting bike I would like to show you. This is a Vertex, not this. See, there's this bike. It's called Black Panther Edition, Wakanda Forever. So this is the bike I wanted to show you. So this has like flat inline, flat 2-cylinder engine. So like I've heard like it goes like this side. The pistons are laid down flat, and then it makes power like that. So the torque will be crazy, and it's also shift driven. It's R1200. Shift driven. So there's no chain loop maintenance, nothing. Yeah. Bro, explain this bike, please, Dhiren. I don't know much about this bike.
I don't know much about this bike.
So explain, bro. Neeraj, you went to Germany to study this. Come on.
Not to study this thing, bro.
Mechanical engineer, no? You are. So where the pistons are laid down?
No, it's on the sideways.
Flat. It's flat here.
Yeah, one this side, one that side.
Okay, and then they make.
Go like this. The piston will.
Bro, and this is 22 lakhs on road.
22.2.
22.2.
Welcome to Asan City. ಆ ಕಡೆನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಾನೆ?
Cops.
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
God.
ನೀವು ನೀಶಾ ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ.
This guy pakka caught. Ashish. Oh. Oh, then he went so front, bro.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾರೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಹಂಗಾರೆ. They came. They left long back.
Okay, guys. The cops catching bikers there. Hey, no, this guy didn't catch.
There.
This guy escaped. He's watching from balcony seat.
Oh, there's a fucking Lamborghini.
No.
Hey, poor
Porsche. Green. See here.
Oh, they're stopping, guys. Hey, this guy. Ashish, go fast, da.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ.
Hey, Ashish. Bro, the cop.
ಅವ್ನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು.
Awesome Roadsters. Oh, it's been so long since I met. Bro, say hi to the camera. Hi. You're coming? No, it's just here. Why they catching? No cops?
I don't know, bro.
They're catching, see there. They're catching a lot of bikes. See you, bro.
ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನೋ ನನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನನ್ನ ಬಿರಿನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಬರೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಬರೋ 16 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡು
Chill, bro. So we're hiding from the cops.
ಬಾ
He's addressing another group. And he's addressing another group.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್
Just to avoid the cops here.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ
It's
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
intense. It's like a
ಹಾಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು
GTA mission we're on. So close, I had to get out of the car and address the bikers coming to go in the other direction because there were the cops on the left side and we had to take the left but then we have to deviate to the right just because there were cops and they were checking really hard and when they saw me deviate everyone they were coming for me and I just ran from there. Ashish is coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
This is nice, no bro? It's like a GTA machine. Evade the cops, 5-star rating.
ಓ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ
Yeah, they're stopping, bro. They're stopping. Trust me, we saw bikers getting stopped.
ಮೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ Even I came like normally police
You're just talk, bro. It's fine. He's just talk now. So, Bobby, how's the ride? How's the bike? How's the ride?
Oh, it's amazing, man.
Off-roading. You went off-roading.
Off-roading was not that great, but the bike is
Amazing,
like next
no?
level, yeah.
Wait.
Next level.
So, guys, we finally reached here in Chikmagalur. And although we had a little bit of problem on the way because of cops, but then this right here is worth every problem because just look at that view, guys. It's amazing. The sun shining, the sun rays falling on the mountains, on the hills. It's amazing. Just look. And this place, we have booked out the whole stay for us, the homestay for us. It's just us, no one else here. So yeah, because we're pretty loud when we party, so it's a really good thing. And it's pretty affordable place. And with this view, you are expected to be.
Faisal, lakko karo ji, lakko karo.
So yeah, these are my friends who are trying to tease me for vlog. See what unsupportive friends I have, who don't even support what I'm trying to do. Huh? So yeah, we are here. It was a pretty good drive. So if you want to know which place we are staying in right now, just hit me up on my Instagram and I'll let you know which place, because I don't want to reveal it to everyone on the vlog. So my Instagram page would be here, vagabond Bro, they're making me laugh and I can't vlog. So I'm just gonna tag his Instagram page. Everyone go report his page and spam. So yeah. So tomorrow we are planned for a trek. Let's see how it goes. I'll catch you guys later. So I heard. Very unsupportive friends I have. I can't help it. I'm trying to bring content for you guys. Bro, Rag, your car has this thing, no? Bobby. He's very conscious, bro. He gets to know me. So yeah, catch you guys on the next vlog, hopefully. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, and comment the things I have to improve on my vlog.
Faisal! सबका बदला लेगा
And